Thank you. So I'm interested in how technology can help enable inquiry, how it can help enable knowledge discovery. And in particular, I'm interested in technology like that deployed by the Department of Energy. In particular, Aurora, which we're building at Argonne right now, which when complete will be more than 2 exaflops of performance. So when I say exaflop, what does that mean? A flop is a floating point operation. What does that mean? It's a math problem. And so it'll be more than a billion math problems per second. Still, it's hard to get your head around that, right? And so if every person in the world is doing 4 math problems a second, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for a little over a year, that is what Aurora will be able to do in 1 second. So it's an enabler, and it will enable science and technology in kind of the traditional space that we're expecting in modeling and simulation, things like cosmology, climate studies, molecular modeling, but it will also enable work in data science. And as we see instruments like the Advanced Photon Source, which is another instrument at Argonne that's currently going in upgrade and will be one of the brightest X-ray sources in the world, it will generate so much data that a supercomputer like Aurora will be needed to analyze it. More closer to home, projects like Crocus, which is deploying sensors around the city, collecting data about our urban environment, that data will be pulled in, integrated with simulations running on Aurora to help us understand the impact of climate on our city. Finally, this thing AI. I don't know, anybody heard about AI? It's in the quantum prairie. AI, Aurora has been designed to support AI. It's got 60,000 GPUs in it, 20,000 CPUs, and they will be harnessed together to work on building large language models that will help us better understand diseases, help us apply it to the humanities. And as we build out systems like Aurora, we need to make them more usable, more accessible to others. The fact that we have AI and data science there will bring a whole new class of users that we haven't seen on our supercomputers in the past. And so one of the things as a computer scientist that I'm excited about is how do you make the system much more accessible? Also, this thing consumes a lot of power. How can we make it more efficient, better utilized? And these are the things that we're working for on Aurora, and in the end, it will help enable a lot of things that we hear about in this room. Thank you.